Hi, I'm Heather Dyer and I'm the owner of the Dyer Appliance Repair Academy. We're here at the annual Service Training Institute convention in Nashville, Tennessee. We're going to hear from our instructor, our previous students, business owners, and thought leaders in the industry. So let's hear what they have to say.
I wanted a technician that I was sending there to be able to learn all the basics on appliances, all the different appliances, to be able to take them apart, diagnose them, and really the proper function. It's easy to figure out what's wrong with it if you know how it works, and that's the basics of it that they need on all their appliances.
This industry started out with such a small selection of appliances that you didn't need nearly the amount of training that you need today. So it's a dramatic leap from where we were to where we are. So back in the day when I broke in, there were 4 washing machines on the market, literally 4. Each brand had its own. And today there are, I don't even know, 34. I'm just throwing a number.
But there's definitely a huge need for us in this industry. I would definitely encourage other women to get into this industry. I have a large amount of older people and single moms that love having a woman in their home. Some of my best friends are clients that I've met over the years.
The fact that they spent the time in the academy shows me the commitment. And having gone through it, their terminology understanding of the basics coming into our company is much higher. So they're clearly going to have a higher opportunity because of that.
So as far as the income potential for a technician, pretty much the sky's the limit. Usually the base starting out is probably going to be around $25,000, not really knowing anything and needing to get in the industry, get your feet wet. And obviously the more you want to know and the more you apply yourself and you learn more, I mean, there's technicians out there making over 6 figures a year. So, it's going to be totally up to you.
It was great. I felt right at home. Dave is a great instructor. I mean, there was a lot of knowledge. Once I left, I felt really confident to go out there and start working on appliances.
It was a good time at Dyer. I learned a lot. It was a good foundation for me to build on with my appliance repair skills.
My name is Glenn Lewis. I'm Vice President Operations for Mr. Appliance. We're located in Waco, Texas. We're a franchise organization. Many of our franchisees, they come into the franchise without any appliance repair experience. They've come in, they've purchased the franchise as a business opportunity. So they do not have any technicians or any technical background. What's fortunate is our relationship with Dyer Appliance Academy. They can bring in people with the right personality for our system and then have the confidence to know that they can have them trained to be a competent tech in a relatively short period of time.
Hi, my name's Dave Bird. I'm the instructor at the Dyer Academy. We're in our 7th year now, so we've been together a long time. So I would encourage folks to come to the class because, well, number one, you're going to learn a lot, but you're going to have fun while you're learning. And what we try to accomplish in your short time with us is to give you a well-rounded foundation of knowledge that you can build on so that you're going to be more comfortable once you're out in the field. You're going to be able to talk to experienced technicians and ask intelligent questions and maybe even more important, understand intelligent answers. By the time we're done, you should feel good about your accomplishment. Probably my biggest thrill in the field is the smile that I get when I have a student that worked hard, mastered the material, and then passed their certification exams. So it's a really nice thing.